break up behind, huh? Didn't want to let you do it. Wasting a whole afternoon away. It wasn't my fault. I could hardly get that order filled. Everybody talking about the holdup and all. Holdup? Yeah. Gang robbed the stage about 5 miles out. Got away with the payroll for the mine at Squaw Rock. Anybody hurt? All killed. Oh. It's too bad. But that ain't no excuse for you. Hold me up this way. What's wrong? When I got a ride in a festa doctor, and don't they leave your sister alone? Is she hurt? No, not her. It's this fellow that stumbled in here. Who? Some fellow we don't even know his name. Might die if I don't get the doc. Any of them hold-up men hurt? I don't know. Why? You think he could have gotten hurt in the hold-up? It ain't really fair to say.
What are you doing? You better not get lotion for no.
Except we don't know the first thing about him.
No, sorry.
That's no matter.
I know
she ain't for no foolishness. And only for dry hands.
Some sort of makes life stressy. It's also to make life stretchier.
That's it. Don't look like a hold-up man to me.
What are you talking about?
Stage was robbed.
Doesn't mean he was in it. How did you get the faintest notions? You hungry?
Sure am.
What's that for?
I know what's
Want you all to know what you're up against. Nobody has to come along. The wind, rain, or the Indian territory. No quitting along the way. Not by me and not by you. They'll fight all the way.
Say la vie.
That means they're all but we'll get there. We'll get there.
Saddle Up Weekends, sponsored by
Like bottom line.
every Saturday and Sunday, only on IRSP. Want preventive screenings for things like stroke and heart disease? Well, if you don't have symptoms, doctors usually won't order them because often insurance companies won't pay for them. And that's unfortunate, as 4 out of 5 people who have a stroke, their first symptom is a stroke. And 80% of all strokes and heart disease are preventable. That's why Lifeline Screening has made preventive screening quick, easy, and affordable, so you can take control of your own health. If you're over 40, call to schedule an appointment for 5 painless screenings that go beyond annual checkups. Lifeline Screening uses ultrasound technology to literally look inside your arteries for dangerous plaque that builds up as you age. And if you call us today, our screening package is only $149 and over 50% savings. But more importantly, you just might catch something before it really costs you. Lifeline Screening, the power of prevention. Call now to learn more.
I hadn't paid my taxes in 8 years. I was trying to take on the IRS by myself. They gave me no option there. They speak in tax terms, which I don't know anything about. Hey, we're gonna, take your house, put a lien on your bank account, garnish your pay. They don't care. They're gonna take your paycheck. As I'm getting these letters, constant letters here and there. I saw a commercial, Optimal Tax. I was like, I'll give it a chance. Optimal Tax, they helped me. They calmed me down. They made me feel comfortable, and I trust them. Now I'm a happy camper now. It was because of Optimal Tax. If you owe the IRS, don't go it alone. Give Optimal Tax a call.
Wouldn't you also like to put your tax problems behind you? Optima has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and they get results. But don't wait until it's too late. Call Optima now for your free consultation.
For your free consultation, call 800-352-9186. That's 800-352-9186.
Optima Tax Relief. Attention oxygen therapy users. If you've been chained to an oxygen tank, then you know they're a burden. Tanks keep you from living the life you love.
I was on oxygen tanks, and I couldn't go anywhere, do much of anything. I didn't dare go far.
It's time to reclaim your independence with an Inogen 1 oxygen concentrator. Inogen makes its own oxygen from the air around you, so you'll never worry about running out of oxygen again.
I wasn't going to run out
She
of
bring that seat and put it over there.
And it was like
What you talking
freedom.
about?
I got my life back. I really love my Inogen.
The Inogen 1G4 is lightweight and compact.
Sorry,
Plus, it's
guys.
battery operated, so you can have oxygen anytime.
I'm trying to have this be a quiet
Do
video.
I think Inogen is worth the money? You better believe it's worth every single penny of it.
Call now for your free information kit. There's no obligation. Inogen. Oxygen anytime, anywhere.
Call 1-800-780-1757. That's 1-800-780-1757. Call now for your free information kit.
How mad at you?
I had a couple.
That's supposed to be.
You gonna say it or me?
I'll see. Father, we thank you for this identity which we are about to receive. Amen.
Well, you asked me, he's not feeling too good. It's kind of sad